Hello all, let's see the common functions managed by ADAS ECU. So we have different features of ADAS ECU like advanced driving systems features. It's like adaptive cruise control, the lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking, the park assist, traffic sign recognition, blind spot detection, pedestrian detection, night vision assistant. So all of these are basic functionalities of ADAS ECU. So when we tell when we think about adaptive cruise control, it's a feature that vehicle uses the cameras, lidars, and radar and ultrasonic for detecting the vehicle in front of us and adjusting the speed according to the vehicle speed, and also for stopping and accelerating and deacceleration. So this controlling of a vehicle speed according to the vehicle in front of us and vehicle in back of us, so it is called adaptive cruise control. So we have a line keep assist. So it's a feature that helps the vehicle to keep in particular line by steering the by controlling the steering wheel. So it will adjust the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a road line, which it could be left or right that we are going currently. So it will try to keep the vehicle in a particular lane. So if you are having some turnings, or it could be like you are going in a certain speed and there is a turning, it will try to reduce the speed and control the steering as well accordingly. So one more thing, we have automatic emergency braking. Whenever vehicle detects the potential collisions, and it will start applying the brakes, so that it can control, or it can help us to optimize the stopping of vehicle and avoiding the collision. So all this is a little bit more of a active emergency braking. Okay, so we have a park assist, tells the driver to park by controlling the steering and braking and acceleration. So it is, we have a self assist parking for a Tesla, so it's a good example. So it will help us to park the vehicle by using a ultrasonic sensor. For we can see that there is a distance, good distance or not, from the obstacle, and also from the other vehicles. So we can see the distance and everything by through the cameras, or it could be by steering the wheel. So it will help us, or it will do the parking. So we are calling it park assist. And we have a traffic sign recognition. So basically it's a camera based application. So it will basically identify the road signs, the traffic light signal indication. So we can also see that there is a speed limits and stop signs. So all those rules kind of traffic rules that we need to follow will be detected or managed by ADAS ECU. So basically, by detecting the traffic sign recognition. So it's a max speed limit is there. So there is a stop signal. So if there is a red signal when you have to stop, and there is a immediate left. So U-turn is not allowed in particular areas. So all those road signs or boards that can be read by vehicle through the camera using this traffic sign recognition algorithm, or it could be any one of the model, basically to drive safely and follow the traffic rules. And we have blind spot detection. So we can see that there is a few areas where people, if other vehicle is coming into um, surrounding, like when you're driving and other vehicle is coming into your lane without you knowing, like you can see that through the mirror. But it helps that if you have more indication of a vehicle approaching, or it could be some beep sound, or it could be some seat vibration, or it could be steering vibration on left or right side. So all of this will help us for detecting the vehicle in our blind spot. Okay, it will basically can provide us some warnings that other vehicle is in the blind spot. Okay. So we have a pedestrian detection. It's like we have some algorithm where it can detect the faces. So basically we can see the person is standing, or it could be some a dog, or some, it could be some animal. So all of these, and one cyclist person is going on. So all of these are basically examples of pedestrian detection. So we would have trained the model to detect all of this through the camera and also lidar mm, using sensor fusion. So basically we'll detect the pedestrian and we'll see the path of pedestrian, and accordingly we will try to navigate vehicle. Also we have night vision assist. So here we might have this, like we will have this um, ultrasonic or infrared cameras, sorry, infrared cameras, so that it will be we can see that through basically in the dark, and through the radar and through the lidar. So if you are driving in full dark area without any lighting, so this feature will help us night vision assist. So it can use the infrared cameras for seeing the objects or things or heat signatures using a camera, infrared camera. Also, we have a normal camera and radar and lidar for detection of obstacles or a detection to avoid the collision. So in a night times. Yeah. Thank you.